Today, let's unpack Pi's recent price swings, what's driving them, and where it might be headed next. Stick around, this one's packed with insights. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more. Pi's price has been a bit of a roller coaster lately, sliding from a high of $0.52 down to around $0.45. This kind of pump and dump action is par for the course in crypto, especially for tokens like Pi that are still finding their footing in a consolidation phase. What's interesting is that trading volume has been steadily declining, which is typical when the market cools off after a big surge. This slowdown suggests traders are catching their breath, possibly waiting for the next catalyst to spark some action. Here's where things get exciting. Despite the recent dip, Pi is holding strong at the critical 0.40 support level. This is a big deal, especially considering the network unlocked a massive 276 million Pi tokens between June 28th and July 15th, 2025. That's a lot of new supply hitting the market, yet the price hasn't crumbled further. This resilience is a bullish sign for Pi, showing that there's still strong demand absorbing the extra coins. It's a testament to the confidence some investors have in Pi's long-term potential. Crypto analysts are keeping a close eye on Pi, and the consensus is optimistic. It's been over a week since Pi dropped into the 40-cent range, and experts are saying it's unlikely to fall much further. Why? Well, as we approach the end of August, the rate of new token unlocks is expected to slow down by at least 30%. This reduction in supply pressure could be a game changer. If the unlock pace does ease up, July and August 2025 might just mark the lowest price levels we'll ever see for Pi. Some analysts are even calling this a potential bottom before the token starts a steady climb. That's huge for anyone looking to get in early. Now, let's talk about the upside, because this is where things get juicy. There's growing buzz in the crypto community that Pi could be on the verge of a major breakout. If it can push above the descending price channel it's been trapped in, analysts are eyeing some ambitious price targets: 98 cents, $138, and even $167 in the coming months. The first key level to watch? A breakout above 60 cents. If Pi can clear that hurdle, it could ignite a rally toward that long-awaited dollar mark, a psychological milestone that would have Pi holders celebrating. But it's not just about the price. A breakout would signal strong market confidence and could attract new investors who've been sitting on the sidelines. What sets Pi Network apart from many other crypto projects is its focus on building a robust ecosystem. Behind the scenes, the Pi team is working hard to roll out new apps, partnerships, and real-world use cases for the token. From peer-to-peer transactions to potential integrations in e-commerce or gaming, these developments are slowly giving Pi more utility. Right now, the influx of new tokens is putting downward pressure on the price. But analysts argue this is a strategic move. By prioritizing ecosystem growth over short-term price pumps, Pi is laying the foundation for sustainable value. Think of it like building a house. You need a solid base before you start adding the fancy stuff. This long-term approach could pay off big time as the network matures. The Pi community is buzzing with excitement, and it's easy to see why. On platforms like X, users are sharing their optimism about Pi's future, with some calling it the people's crypto, because of its mobile-first mining approach. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require heavy computing power, Pi's accessibility has drawn in millions of users worldwide. But it's not all smooth sailing. The broader crypto market is still volatile, with Bitcoin and Ethereum setting the tone for altcoins like Pi. If the market turns bullish in the coming months, Pi could ride that wave. On the flip side, any major market downturn could keep Pi's price suppressed, so it's worth keeping an eye on macro trends. So, there you have it. The latest on Pi Network's price action, ecosystem growth, and what might be next for this intriguing project. Are you bullish on Pi, or do you think it'll stay in consolidation mode for a while? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's get the conversation going. Give us a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell for more crypto updates. Thanks for watching, stay sharp, and keep stacking those coins. See you in the next one.